Want to know the number one reason that business loans are rejected? It's because of a horrible business plan. That's right, I said it. A business plan that sucks. Doesn't get funding. We get it. You created a DIY business plan using tools, templates, and YouTube. Great job! That's an incredible start, but now let's finish the plan strong. Expert feedback is key, and that's where our perfect pitch review service comes in. Why spend $1,800 to $5,000 on a professional to create your business plan when you can refine your existing plan with us for a fraction of the cost and still be ready with a perfect pitch? Let's turn your great start into a magnetic winning business plan. So yes, save the money, but hedge your bet. Have your business plan reviewed and then use our feedback to refine and polish your plan, increasing your odds of approval. The business plan tells the story of the business, and the story must be complete, which means addressing funders' questions before they are ever asked. So make sure your business plan doesn't suck. We'll ensure the math in your projections actually maths. We want you to win, so we'll show you the way. Press start at www.vantastic365.com.